Alright. This is Gracie. Hi, Gracie. You're sitting in a big girl chair. Look at you. Say hi, Aubrey. Yeah. Gracie, you are now... Oh, Aubrey, no. You are almost 4 months old. Yes, you are. You are almost 4 months old. Yeah. Hi, cutie pie. Are you having fun? You're sitting up big and tall. Yeah. Don't choke yourself. Don't puke on me, Aubrey. 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 Look how good you're starting to use your hands. Oh. Yeah. What's the matter? You're doing so good. You're hitting yourself in the head though. Oh, you're doing so good, sweetheart. You were spinning that one earlier. Yeah? You rolled over 5 times today, didn't you? Oh. Are you all done? Do you want this? Are you all done? Okay, you're all done. I love you.